Hey guys, another thing I got to just basically tell you about. When you start to figure out your goals or a direction that you want to go, do yourself a favor and keep that to yourself. Maybe with your significant other, but that's it. Don't be telling family, don't be telling friends what you're going to do, because all those family and friends are going to do is they're going to tell you how you can't do it, how you just aren't that kind of person, and it's a scam, it's some Ponzi scheme. Just don't tell them what you're into, because people have negative connotations towards making money online. It's got to be a ripoff. Tell you what, there are some out here, and there's people that call you on the phone and rip you off. So it's not like brand new. All I'm saying is just keep it inside, working towards it. Because you can build up enough negativity right up here as you're working through to make this money, right? And it takes some time. So there's a lot of little negativity that floats in. You don't need family and friends pushing more negative into you. So just keep it there. Later, guys. Oh, do me a favor. Hit the like, hit the follow, and check out this up here. That's what I do. It's online. It's not a ripoff. It's not anything other than a really good deal. And by a good deal, I mean the people in there are amazing. Later.